Okay. Can y'all see this?
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a demo.
Hey. I'm back again. I need to give us a name. What our name gonna be? I'm tired of saying, hey y'all, what's our name? What's our name? But hey, I'm back with another video. Today we cooking. We eating good. We eating real good today. Cooking a whole rack of lamb, or I might do half a rack of lamb. I'm gonna cook half a rack of lamb, a lobster tail, broccolini, macaroni and cheese, and mashed potatoes. I think it's gonna be good. Before I even get into all that, why you ain't subscribed? I asked you that on the last video. You still ain't subscribed. Subscribe, okay? Subscribe. All you gotta do is, that's it. Just subscribe. It's easy. It's quick and easy. And watch this video to the end. It's gonna be good, okay? Yeah, so we're gonna do the lamb chops. We're gonna do the lobster tail, macaroni, mashed potatoes, broccolini. Now, I never made lamb chops and I never made a lobster tail before. But I seen a video, I was scrolling, I seen a video of this exact plate and I was like, I could do that. I'm grown, I could make that. I'll put a chef that up. So, I got like some teriyaki sauce right here. I got honey. I'm about to show y'all everything I got, but I'm gonna do like a sweet, I'm gonna do like a sweet glaze for the lamb chops, and then I got like my Old Bay and my garlic butter and everything for the lobster tail. I'm excited. I think it's gonna be good. I don't doubt myself. I can cook, but some stuff I just never cook. But I gotta go and expand my horizon. It's time to start cooking new things. I'm already a new girl, so yeah, I'm gonna start cooking new things. So we're gonna start with this, and then I'm by myself, so you know. But I still can eat good by myself. I don't know about y'all. I don't need company to eat good. So this is this. I'm excited. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to eat. I ain't with the theatrics. We're gonna get right to the video. I'm gonna say that every time. Let's get to it. Let me show y'all what I got. Okay, so I found a $10 lobster tail. I went to Fresh Market and this lobster tail was on sale for $10, period. I got a rack of lamb. I think that was like $30. Let me see. It was $26.72. So I got a little rack of lamb. And I got all of this from Fresh Market. No, I went to Kroger too. I went to Kroger too and got a couple things. Got some heavy whipping cream. I got red potatoes for the mashed potatoes. Parmesan. I got the Tillamook cheese. That's for my macaroni. Elbow macaroni. Onion. Garlic butter. Garlic powder. Kinders. All-purpose. My rotisserie chicken. That's my favorite seasoning. I never used this all-purpose, but I got some. Toni Seasoning, of course. Red pepper flakes, onion powder, Montreal steak seasoning, smoked paprika, Worcestershire, honey, minced garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, the teriyaki sauce, evaporated milk for the macaroni. I got some dried parsley, like the fresh parsley, thyme, my broccolini, and I got some light brown sugar. Then I got 2 little pans for the macaroni, and then 1 for the lobster tail. So yeah, that's all my ingredients. Let me give a disclaimer before I even start cooking. I'm not making a rule for the macaroni. I'm about to show y'all a recipe that you can make on an average weekday, because I be cooking macaroni on a weekday and people be like, oh, you cooking like that? My macaroni is not about to be 20, 50 steps. We gonna do a good cheesy, moist macaroni recipe that don't take that long. You don't always gotta take the long route when you cook. It's okay. Get used to it. We're gonna talk about it when we get there. But okay, let's get started because it's late and I need to go on. I need to get this going, okay? So let's do it. Let me wash my hands first. Let me wash my hands. Let me make sure y'all know I wash my hands. Jesus. I'm so ready. First of all, I'm hungry. Second of all, I'm ready to be able to say I know how to cook lamb chops. I'm ready to add that to my list. I'm ready to add lamb chops to my list. Oh, this is about to be so good. I'm confident. I'm confident, okay? I'm confident. Start with cleaning my rack of lamb. Here it is. I'm gonna clean my rack of lamb. I got a bowl right here. I'm gonna open it up, put it in here. And I probably, how many lollipops? It's like 9 lollipops in here. I'm gonna make half the rack. I'm gonna make half the rack of lamb and then the lobster tail. I'm about to take this out, cut it in half, and then freeze the other half. Yeah, I know y'all hear that jingling. That's my dog running around. If y'all don't hear it, good for y'all, because I wish. Y'all want to see this? Y'all want to see? Should I bring y'all over here? I can bring y'all over here. I'll let y'all see. Cause y'all knows, y'all be liking to see. Let me, hold on. I don't know how they package this. It's inside of something. I hate touching meat. I really do. My dog standing to the side, like, what is that smell? Before I get too deep cleaning them, let me cut them into chops. I'm just cutting all the meat out though. I don't know. I ain't cutting this right. Oh, it's like the little knuckle right there, y'all. Let me cut them this way. Okay, now they looking, okay now. Now they looking like lamb chops. My knife is weak. Like, dang. Okay. We got 4 perfect little chops. So I'm about to put them back in the bowl and clean them good. I'm gonna add a little bit of water in there. I just got the Kroger brand lemon juice. I'm gonna use lemon juice to clean my meat. Lemon juice, clean that meat, y'all. Clean that meat. Okay, so I'm gonna come in with a couple paper towels and pat them dry. After you get them clean, pat them dry. And with some olive oil. This is the brand I use. Disregard my phone. We coming in with our Montreal steak seasoning. And I told y'all this my favorite. This is my favorite like all-purpose seasoning. I love this seasoning. It's so good. I'm gonna do a little smoked paprika. I'm gonna do a little crushed red pepper. Y'all know we gonna do onion powder. Come on now. Onion powder. We're gonna do a little garlic powder. Some black pepper. And we seasoning all in, okay? Mix it. I don't know about y'all, but I like my meat seasoned, okay? I like my meat good and seasoned. Both sides. Okay. Cover this in foil and yeah, let it sit in the fridge. Get the lobster tail ready. Cut up the potatoes, cut up the onion. You know, get the water started and just let them marinate for a second. So before I do anything else, I'm about to go on and get my lamb chops. This one I'm gonna cook my lamb chops in. This one I'm gonna boil the potatoes in. This one I'm gonna boil the macaroni in. Ooh, dang. That's what I'm gonna cook the broccolini in. So I'm gonna go and warm this up. I'm gonna put it, I guess you can put it on about 7. I know you're supposed to cook it on like a higher heat and then baste it. And then I'm gonna go and put some water and I'm gonna boil my potatoes and my macaroni with a chicken bouillon cube. If you know, you know. If not, I'm putting you on now. So let me go and put my water in my pots. this is the bouillon cubes that I'm gonna use in my water. Come on out of there now. Hey. I always cook my potatoes and any pastas with the bouillon cube. Go 1, 2. Okay, so we got our lobster tail. Wrap that thing. Hold on, let me silence my phone because it's still. My phone's still going off. Okay. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Somebody said on TikTok, press the membrane. Somebody said do that. I don't know. I'm just gonna do it. I guess they help it release easier when you do the meat. I don't know, child. I'm just doing what I saw. Now, what if they was wrong? What if they messed up something? Okay, so you're gonna come down, cut down the middle. I love a good kitchen shear because I cut everything with these. Stop it about there. Open her up. Look now. Look. I've been to nice restaurants and I done seen this, but I ain't never did it. I'm just saying. Learned it just like everybody else, okay? Oop. Fuck some up. Okay. That's looking real fancy pants. Who's that? Sit that up there. Y'all see? Okay. Chomp, chomp, chomp. But I'm about to put this back in the bowl and clean it first, of course. I'm about to clean it. And I'm gonna put me a little bowl to the side, put me a mixture on and brush it on top of the lobster. Clean your meat, clean your seafood. Clean it, okay? I'm gonna clean the shell. You want it all clean. I'm gonna bring it back to the cutting board. Okay, so in a little bowl, I'm about to put garlic butter and all of my seasonings that I want to go on my lobster tail. I don't need that much because it's only one lobster tail, but whatever. I'm gonna put I'll put like half a stick. Why not? Half the stick. And I'm about to pop it in the microwave real quick. I got our garlic butter, melt it down. Knock down our little lobster tail, baby. Lobster tail suffering. I didn't cut the shell too deep. But it's okay. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about all that. I'm gonna do a little Old Bay, of course. Old Bay. Okay. I know it's too much. We got some black pepper. I'll do a little Toni. Ooh. You see it? Chopped parsley. Then I'm gonna mix that up. I'm gonna come through, take my mix, put it all on my lobster tail. She's trying to slide. And y'all don't make the same mistake I made because I didn't cut all the way through the shell. I'm gonna cover her. And don't be shy, lift the meat up. Put it on the bottom. We're gonna put a little bit on the bottom. Yeah, why not? Put some on the shell too. I'm doing the most. Okay. Okay, I ain't mad at that. It's looking alright. Okay. Yeah, I didn't cut too deep into this shell. Okay, this how it's looking. Pop this in the fridge too, along with the lamb chops. Let that sit for a second while I cut up the potatoes. I always get these, you know, these bags of potatoes. That's what I like to use. And I like my mashed potatoes skin on, so I don't mind. I always cut my potatoes up first and then clean them. So yeah, I'm gonna cut them up. I think I'm perfect. Okay. We got all our potatoes cut up. I'm about to put them in a bowl, wash them off. So our water boiling. We put my potatoes in. Please don't jump up and burn me, please. Okay, we put our potatoes in. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on the macaroni too. I'm gonna put however much my heart desire, okay? Oops. Why would I measure? Come on now, y'all know. Cook how much y'all want. The skillet is hot, so I think I'm about to go and pop on the lamb chops. Oh, we getting there, y'all. We getting there. So let me grab them out the fridge and let's get that going. Okay, so this how our lamb chops looking. Our lamb chops been marinating for a good about 30 minutes to an hour now. I'm about to put a little olive oil in this skillet. I feel like she's hot enough. Really in here chefing it up. Like, don't play with it, don't play with it. I wish y'all could see me. I ain't hiding, but I'm trying to cook. I gotta, yeah, I know what I gotta do. So I'm gonna put a little oil in the skillet. Come in hot with our lamb chops, okay? Two things look good. Pour some of that oil around. We're gonna let it cook for a good, like 3 to 4 minutes on each side, 2 to 3, maybe more so 2 to 3, 3 to 4 minutes. Love a good tone, baby. I love a good tone. So we're just gonna let them, you know, we're gonna let them do their thing for a second, okay? But I ain't got them. Show the girls what they want to see. Yes. Chops to the side. Ooh-wee. Just them to the side real quick. We're gonna work on our little sauce. So I grabbed our macaroni because it was done. The potatoes still cooking. But we're gonna start on our sauce in this skillet. Our honey. We're gonna put about 2 tablespoons in there. I know it's gonna be hot. Honey. Okay. We're gonna do a little soy sauce. Soy. Teriyaki sauce. Our garlic and herb butter. I hope y'all can hear me, cause that potato's boiling, okay? Hard. Put our garlic butter in there. Y'all know the minced garlic everybody use. Minced garlic. Of course I'm gonna put a lot, why wouldn't I? Put some red pepper flakes. Y'all know I love a good spice. Pepper flakes. And we're gonna mix that. Let me add a little more teriyaki and honey. Just a little more teriyaki. It up, swirl it around. Okay. I done almost forgot the brown sugar. Hold on. Yeah, there's brown sugar in there. Cause I knew, I just tasted it. And something was missing. I'm like, it ain't sweet enough, and that's what it is. We had that brown sugar in there. And I like stuff to taste, so when you cook and taste your food, you cooking it and you gotta eat it. Taste your food. Okay. Now it's gonna be a little more sweet and it's gonna be a little more sticky. I'm wrong for using that fork. I know. Don't look. It's my pan, okay? The sauce is bubbling up, as y'all can see. We're gonna put our lamb chops back in. Coat them in the sauce. And it tastes good, y'all. I already tasted it. Y'all know my back is big. Yeah, sauce spy. I'll let them cook down in there. Y'all see the material? Come on now. Y'all see the material. I'm gonna let that cook down. Okay, so I'm about to show y'all an easy recipe that you can make throughout the week for your man, your kids, whoever. And it come to your macaroni. You don't gotta be too fancy, okay? Put you some butter in there. Butter. And I love this garlic and herb butter, baby. Y'all gonna keep seeing it. You know, put a little bit in there. Boom. Garlic and herb butter. And I don't put too much seasoning in my stuff either. We got a little garlic powder. Not too much. I did use garlic butter. We're gonna put a little salt. We're gonna put some pepper. Black pepper. This is how I make my macaroni. You can make it how you want to make it. I'm down there. Oh, okay. That's good anyway. That up before I add anything else. The butter gonna help to cool down the noodles too. So you're gonna push your noodles to the side. You're gonna take your, get a can opener, y'all. Let me catch up. So you're gonna get your evaporated milk. And I'm only using 1 can because y'all know I'm by my, well, let me shake it first. Should have shook it first. Open y'all evaporated milk. Right. Pour that in the bowl. Okay. Evaporated milk. Boom. I'll put 1 egg. Now I use brown eggs, but just use whatever egg you want to use. I'm gonna crack her. Dump her in there. And you're gonna mix this mixture. Okay. Mix it up. I'm gonna season it just a little bit with just a little bit of black pepper, and just a little bit of, well, I use this as seasoning salt. This is my seasoning salt, so put a little bit of seasoning salt in there. Come out, okay. A little seasoning salt. Mix that. You're gonna bring your noodles back. You're gonna pour it all on your noodles. Right, okay. Gonna mix that up. Okay, y'all see what's going on? Mix that up, okay? You're gonna come through with your cheese. Now, I know the girls might tussle about this, but it's okay to use shredded cheese. Stop letting social media shame y'all, okay? If you don't wanna shred a block, I know the block tastes better, but it's some good shredded cheeses, especially this one. This one of the best cheeses on the market, okay? Shredded wise. So I'm gonna come through, put some of this. I got the Mexican Fort cheese, so it's cheddar, Monterey Jack, queso quesadilla. I think it melts really good. I'm gonna come through. Put you some in there. These big shreds too, they melt real good. I'm gonna put some Tillamook. Get some of this Colby Jack. That's my oven ready. And we're gonna do some of this Mexican Fort cheese. Save the you could have shredded it comments, because I know. Got your cheese in, you're gonna mix everything together. And you can add more cheese if you feel like you need more cheese. But when I put it in the pan, I'm gonna do like noodles, cheese. I'm gonna layer it, so. When I tell y'all those big shreds gonna melt so good, ooh, it's about to be good. The moisture gonna come from that milk and that egg gonna hold it together, okay? Okay, so that's how you should be looking. Butter up my pan. Y'all know I got a little pan because once again, I'm by myself. So basically, if you wanted to make a bigger pan, you would just, you know, double everything. 2 cans of evaporated milk, 2 eggs. Y'all know. Butter my pan. It ain't perfect, but it's buttered, okay? It ain't perfect, but it's buttered. All right. You're gonna come in and noodles, cheese. Let me scoot the pan up. You're gonna come through and do noodles, cheese. Do noodles. Hope I'm feeling real bleak then. I'm behind the camera. Layer noodle. Y'all see noodles, cheese. Colby Jack, and then I'm doing the Mexican Tillamook cheese. Oh, this was perfect. This was literally the perfect amount. Look at me. Noodles. And then you're gonna put some smoked paprika, that baby on top. Sprinkle that bad boy, sprinkle that bad boy. With a little parsley. And you're gonna put it in the oven. Let y'all see. You're gonna put it in the oven, covered at 400 degrees for like 25 minutes. And then you're gonna take the foil off and put it back in there for like 15-20 minutes. So we gonna do that. Okay, so we got our macaroni in the oven. Let's grab our potatoes and strain them. I'm gonna kind of let them sit and get soft, because why not? I'm about to mash them anyway. They been ready though. They good and soft. Let them get soft, okay? Don't rush the process. Let them get soft so they're easy to mash. We're gonna head back to the pot. Come with our potatoes. I like to use heavy whipping cream. Come on, focus, focus. I like to use this heavy whipping cream in my mashed potatoes. Put some heavy whipping cream in there. And put a little Parmesan cheese. A little onion powder. A little black pepper. Just a little bit, okay? Just a little bit of salt. Y'all, this is the holy grail. Don't say I never told y'all nothing. I never taught y'all nothing. Okay. Come through and mash. Moist. Yeah, I'll see what we working with, okay? Act like y'all know me by now. Act like y'all know me by now. Y'all know some butter going in there. Come on now. It's mashed potatoes. Might as well put the rest. Got some good creamy mash. And I'm about to put this lid on and knock out some of these dishes. In the meantime, so I'm gonna let that sit. Our macaroni in the oven, it got about 18 minutes, that's the timer. So I'm about to use this little time to clean the dishes. And when that gets about 10 minutes, I'm gonna pull the lobster tail out the fridge and I'm gonna start on the broccolini so everything can be done around the same time. I miss y'all. I miss y'all. I wanna be in the camera. Damn. Bangs. Yeah, I've been slaving over a hot stove. Bangs greasy, child. Jesus. Like a tornado that ran through this kitchen. So, while that's in the oven, we about to, y'all know how we do. Cook and clean at the same time. While the food cooking, put stuff up, clean up, okay? So that's what I'm about to do. Trying to cook and record literally takes double the time. Like, and then I'm making a TikTok, So y'all follow my TikTok _Miss Bianca too. But I'm trying to make a TikTok too. I'm trying to shoot a YouTube video and a TikTok video. The struggle. Okay, yeah, I had to pause my cleaning because the timer went off. So I'm about to pop my lobster tail in the oven. So I'm gonna cut this big old lemon in half. And let me open my lobster tail. The butter done kind of harden up, but it's okay because it's about to go in the oven. So I'm gonna take my lemon, squirt that on top. Yeah, I know they go hand in hand, baby. Pop her, or we're gonna slice this. Put a couple slices in there with it, cause why not? Struggling, y'all. I'm struggling. Okay. We're gonna pop a little lemon in there. We're gonna pop her in the oven. We almost done. We're gonna put her in the oven for about 12 minutes. With the mac and cheese. We'll get started on our broccolini. Okay, so I done got tired of constantly washing that same cutting board, so here we are. Broccolini out the bag, hands off. I know it's small, but look, I'm tired of cleaning that big old cutting board, okay? And I'm gonna cut about here. Cut them little stems. Okay, gonna clean our broccolini. This is the last part of our meal. Put a little olive oil. I always say a little and then pour a lot. Right in with the broccolini. Hold up, hold up. Hold up, man. Ayo. Yeah, with the broccoli. Woo! Whoa! Hold up. Start popping, baby. You wanna let your broccolini get a little brown. Let it get soft and brown. And then we got our macaroni. Macaroni down. Okay, so you're gonna take your broccolini out the pan real quick. Brown it a little bit, or you saute it a little bit. Take it out of the pan. I don't know why that oil jumping around like that. Make them put some butter in there and you let it cook down. You want to put your broccolini back in there. Toss it around a little bit in that butter. You're gonna put out some Parmesan cheese. That do what it do. Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle that on top. Now the food is finally done. Oh my gosh. Let me make my plate, y'all. Let me make my plate. So y'all know we're gonna start with the mashed potatoes, of course. We got our mash. Come on, y'all know. Mashed potatoes. And I'm gonna use what should I use? I'm gonna use the tongs to get the lamb chops. Swirl it around in a little sauce. Oop. Okay, let me get this one on my plate. Parmesan, they got a little crispy. Yes, ma'am. Broccolini. We're gonna put our lobster tail on. And y'all know we gotta get the mac and cheese on there. Come on now. It don't even want to come out the pan. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. When I say I just did this, so ready to eat. Oh my god, this took too long, okay? Can y'all see this? Ooh, it's too late. I shouldn't even be eating this late. Y'all, do y'all see this plate? This don't even look like I cooked this. Ain't no way I cooked this. Y'all know I'm finna dig in, baby. Let me say my grace. Hold on, let me say my grace. Y'all, the mac and cheese. Look at that. This is a real cheese pool. When I say, I ain't even tried the lamb chop, the mac and cheese. Know how good it might look on camera? Just know it's good. Let me try lamb chop. Let me let y'all see. Have some. This make me never want to buy lamb chops from a restaurant again. I done outdid myself once again. I ain't even tried the lobster tail. Mashed potatoes. When I tell y'all, please cook this. Please, I'm begging. I'm begging. Broccolini, 10 out of 10. I gotta try this lobster tail. Let me try this lobster tail. I need a little knife. Hold on, let me get a knife. Let me try this lobster tail. It's like a $50 plate at a restaurant. Y'all, this lobster is so good. And you know what? I never put lemon on my seafood, but I'm about to start. I ain't gonna even sit here and eat on camera, cause I'm finna eat. I'm about to eat. So, y'all, I ain't gonna say this is a quick and easy dinner recipe, cause it ain't quick and it ain't easy. But it's good. If you're gonna make you a 5-star meal at home, replay this video. Make this plate. And I tell y'all, oh my God, the macaroni. And I prefer my macaroni like this. Like, I don't want it all wet and slipping and sliding out on my plate. Let me get on up out here. Y'all done cooked with me today. I feel like we cool. Y'all done cleaned up the house with me. I ain't even talk. When I say this, these lamb chops, this is the end of another video. Let me end this video so I can eat, sip my wine. I'm off work tomorrow. I'm about to be knocked out tonight, okay? If you a client of mine, my booking open today. By the time this video come up, my books for October open today. Book your appointment. I'm gonna have y'all cute the whole holiday season. Let me finish my dinner. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And give me some ideas. What y'all wanna see me do? What y'all wanna see me do? Y'all wanna see me cook, y'all wanna see me clean, wash everything. But for real, leave some stuff in the comments on what y'all want me to do. And I'm about to eat and go to bed. I'll talk to y'all later. That's another vlog. We doing good. I've been doing good. I've been posting every week. Clap it up, clap it up. I've been posting every week. I'm proud. I'm proud. I've been making time to make my YouTube videos. So I'm gonna stay consistent for y'all. But y'all gotta tell me what y'all wanna see so I can give the girls what they want, okay? But yeah, I'm about to finish my dinner. Bye y'all.